so basically I've got to do some harvesting of my cabbages, so I'm going to do that, and also I'll do you a little tour of the garden and how it's getting on. Right, these are my cabbages. They're primo cabbages. Some of them are split like that, and the splitting is due to too much water. We've had mass loads of rain recently, but I think we've got some nice sort of heads there. I mean, look at that one. And we've had a few of them, and they're absolutely delicious. Now, I'm going to harvest all of these, and these won't go to waste, these leaves, because the chickens will love those bits, and then we'll just have the bits in the middle. So, yeah, I'm going to harvest them, and I'll show you the next bit. As you can see, not a bad crop, to be fair. I'm really happy. I mean, there's a couple of that sort of split. I've cut off all the leaves there for the chickens. They'll absolutely love them and give us some nice eggs, hopefully. Yeah, so there's the plot of land come back to me. Now, what I'm going to do on this area is I'm not going to dig it over. That's what you need to not do. I love no dig because it does keep the soil really good, and I've been proved this time and time again over the years. It's absolutely fantastic method of growing your vegetables. So I'm going to pull these little stumps out, and then I'm just going to hoe the weeds off, and then there'll be something else to be planted. If I'm not going to be planting anything, then what I suggest you do is put DPC plastic and bricks like this on top, as you could see over there. Could you see? So that's what I'll do probably until I can find something else that I want to grow in this area. Right, so the carrots are growing really nice. We've had all different sort of size carrots growing in all different places. So I've sowed some more seeds, so hopefully that'll bulk up soon. As you can see, look, that just shows how bad the one packet is, because there's some at the end but none anywhere else. You could just see some just going there. See where I've just done them, extra ones. The peas are growing absolutely fantastic. I can't see any yet, but we have seen them in there. They're little pea pods growing. I think there's some over here actually. Let's have a look. Anyways, there's peas growing, so I'm really pleased with that. My standard rose is the sun comes out just as I'm video recording. A standard rose, that's looking good. I'm hopefully get another. Oh yeah, look, there's a nice little bud there. Let's get over the other side. The sunflowers are doing fantastic. Winter onions are doing good. Now I have seen lots of old timers and other people growing them in big rows really close to each other, and it reminds me of an old chap that lived in this house down here. He used to grow vegetables up his big garden. He used to do them in rows really close to each other. So I don't know if there's any truth to sort of getting bigger onions or anything. So I'm going to be trying this anyway. So yeah, the sunflowers look fantastic. Look at them. Yeah, so volunteer tomato there, and that's readying up nice, so Abigail will be very pleased. My leeks are coming on okay. Right, these all come out the same. I got like a cheap pack from Tesco's of these leeks, already pre-grown, but look at the growth on all of these, yeah? They all look very similar. Look at that little diddy one there, you know? That's not grown at all, so I don't know what's going on. And this one, this was funny because it sort of bolted up inside, so it got stuck. So what I've ended up doing is what you're supposed to do, just chop it off, and it does grow. So you won't get a big enough leek, but it'll be a leek. The pumpkins are growing absolutely fantastic. Look at them pumpkins. Lovely. Look at that orange. Cool. I don't think we're going to get any more pumpkins, but there's a little one there that might grow into something. All the fruit trees have been absolutely fantastic. The only ones I'm waiting on now is these the cooking apples, the Bramley apple ones. This tree was fantastic. It had about 25-30 apples on it, and that was after I thinned it. I've had a pick of the rhubarb as it looks a bit skinny at the minute, but that's all you should do this time of year with rhubarb, is just take a little bit if it's newly grown, see, and you'll see it'll die back. When it dies back to like this stage, I do pull that off and then chuck that in the compost bin. And the leaves are poisonous, so you can't eat them, but are very good for the composting. I've had no oh, this is an apple I'm waiting on. This is a pink lady apple tree. Now you think, pink lady, you can't get them trees. Well, I've got, it's a little twig on eBay. This is why I'm sort of not saying it like that. I don't know if it's going to be a pink lady apple, so we're growing it and seeing if it grows. If it's not a pink lady, I'm getting my 30 quid back, because it was literally a little stick like that in the ground. Right, there we go. And this is the pollinator, the crab apple that goes next to it, apparently. The blackberry, this newly planted, I've got this, you'll find as well in garden centres and stuff, they do massive discounts on plants. So even if they look a little bit battered like that, take them home, plant them, give them a good water, keep them watered, and yeah, absolutely fantastic. Well, I know that's just a bit of a short update. I haven't done many videos because it's my birthday today, and we've had various kiddie things that we wanted to do before they went back to school, so it's been a bit hectic. But yeah, I hope you like this little update and the cabbage video and that. And if you've got any questions, just put them below. I really appreciate that. Give it a big fat thumbs up, because that does help the channel. And subscribe if you'd like this sort of content. I do all sorts of gardening videos, hints and tips and everything. So you might find subscribing might save you a few quid in the future. So thanks very much, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.